Hello! It's the time of the year! Naglalabasan na naman ang mga Christmas food, sweets, and savory sa mga shops. Kaya sa video na ito ay super excited ako kasi magte-taste test tayo ng mga Christmas food. Join me! Unang iti-taste test ko ay itong Cheesy Cranberry Bites from Cathedral City. It's made up of breaded cheddar cheese, mozzarella, and soft cheese bites with a cranberry sauce filling. So, binake ko na siya sa oven, 180 degrees pag fan, for only 15 minutes. At binili ko siya sa Iceland. At eto na siya. Taran! Wow! Golden brown. Yan ang loob niya. May cranberry and cheese. Taste test. Kapal ng cheese. Bale yung cheese, mozzarella. Lasang-lasa mo siya. Hindi siya ganon ka-bitter. Soft siya. Pero yung cranberry, hindi ko siya masyadong nalalasahan. 3 out of 5 for me. So, my 11-year-old son, tinikman niya at nagustuhan niya. 4 out of 5 stars daw. Kung mahilig ka sa cheese, you will love this one.
I'd give it a 2.
Because he doesn't
I like the cranberry in it.
Okay, but the cheese, how's the cheese?
Cheese is good. Like a 3.
Okay, it
3.
looks like chicken nuggets, Ben said. Ang susunod na titikman ko naman ay itong Mr. Kipling Golden Sponge with a vanilla flavor topping covered in fondant icing. Mabibili ito sa Tesco or Iceland, kung saan-saan kasi very common naman si Mr. Kipling. Pero ito kasi, pang Christmas lang siya. Tingnan nyo, may mga snowflakes. So, yan ang itsura niya pag binuksan mo siya. Naka-plastic pa siya. It's a dainty sponge fancies with a delicious vanilla flavor topping drenched in a white fondant icing. Icing, vanilla, covered nga siya. Baka sobrang tamis nito, wag naman po. Tikman na natin siya. Super white. Puting-puti, pati sponge. Super tamis. Super soft ng sponge. At ang vanilla, lasang-lasa mo siya pero super tamis. Siguro isa lang makakain mo kung hindi ka mahilig sa matamis. Ako mahilig ako pero hindi ko kaya. 1 out of 5, Mr. Kipling, sorry. Ethan will taste it. 4 stars. He likes it.
It's got too much icing, but it tastes really sweet. So I give it like
3
3.
out of 5. Okay. Our next taste test ay itong reindeer cakes ng Cadbury. Available din to sa mga iba't ibang supermarket. Pampasko. What is the description of this cake? Chocolate flavored sponge layered with a white chocolate flavor filling, covered in milk chocolate and finished with a white chocolate decoration. Ang cake nga, it's like a marshmallow texture. It's a marshmallow texture because I like marshmallow. For me, it's 3 out of 5. How is it, Ethan?
3 out of 5.
3 out of 5 as well. Ben?
3 out of 5.
Oh, so we all agree. 3 out of 5. Yan ang loob niya, oh. Marshmallow.
Hello! Ang susunod na iti-taste test natin ay ang aming mga biniling snacks from Waitrose. So, itong first two ay mga mince pie. At itong huli naman ay ang festive baklava selection. Una kong iti-taste test sa mga pagkain from Waitrose ay itong cherry and almond frangipane mince pies. Ang sabi sa description, 4 individual pies with a cherry and amaretto liqueur mincemeat filling with frangipane topped with flaked almonds. So, ang packaging, meron pa siyang, sealed pa siya sa loob ng plastic. At makikita natin ang mga almond flakes, which is I like. Yan ang kanyang loob. Pwede siya kainin hot or cold. So, pwede daw itong i-oven heat for 8 to 9 minutes. Masasabi ko lang, ang lasa niya, hindi siya lasang mince pie. Ang sponge niya parang bread-like sponge or, cake sponge. At liquor, hindi ko masyadong malasahan. Cherry, konting-konti. Pero I like it dahil sa kanyang almond flakes. Sabihin na natin 3 out of 5 for me. Susunod na titikman natin ay itong mince pie fudge, a rich creamy fudge married with the festive flavor of brandy mincemeat. Puro may mga brandy and liquor pala itong nabili ko, so hindi kina mga kids. So sabi na sa description, fudge with brandy flavored mincemeat. Andito fudge na part ng dating, filled siya. Fudge texture. Ang sarap niya. I like it. Fudge na fudge. Hindi siya sobrang tamis. Kaya nagustuhan ko. At hindi siya masyadong chewy. Kaya siya ng ngipin ko. So, for this mince pie fudge, 5 out of 5 for me. Yay! Last one from Waitrose. Festive Baklava Selection. Sweet phyllo pastry soaked in syrup with chopped fruit, nuts, and chocolate. Napaka-festive ng packaging. So, ang mga flavors niya, andyan sa likod. Yan, 5. Hindi na siya sealed ng plastic. Cranberry and orange baklava, almond and chocolate asabi, mincemeat and pistachio baklava. Ooh. Cashew sultana and cinnamon baklava, date and ginger baklava. So, ang aking titikman na itong favorite ko kasi, ang pistachio. So, mincemeat and pistachio baklava. Layer of phyllo pastry soaked in syrup and topped with mincemeat and pistachio nuts. So, yan ang dates niya. Very sticky. At yung syrup, kalat na kalat talaga. Very sticky ang kabuuan. Hindi ko masyadong malasahan yung pistachio. At I have high hopes for this, pero na-disappoint ako. So, for me, 2 out of 10. Siguro yung iba, probably, it tastes better. Or better than yung pistachio. Pero for the pistachio, 2 out of 5. Maraming salamat sa panonood nyo sa aking pag-taste test ng mga Christmas food. Have a Merry Christmas, everyone! Bye!
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that